We will move on to the 16th topic. This is on geometric sequences. Now, the formula for the nth term of geometric sequence is given as an equals a1 r to the power n minus 1. Now, we need to apply that formula and solve the geometric means. Now, I'll tell you what is geometric means. Now, geometric means basically means, okay, there's lots of means, the terms within it. So now if you start from 2 and 1, 2, 5, 0, I have to find three geometric means. That means three terms within it. See, in your questions, you might get like this or you might get like this, like question marks. So over here, you can see there are three geometric means. Over here also, they have asked three geometric means. Now, this is your starting term or the first term, A1. Since there are three geometric means, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is your an or a5, and we need to find the remaining terms. But how can you find the terms without knowing the d value, that is the common difference value? It is very simple. You can use the nth term formula. So n is equal to 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can also do, this is the first and the last term that is given to us. And they have told three more terms needs to be solved. So n is 5. To find the r, the step 2, you need to do this formula. That is the nth term of a geometric sequence. An is equal to the first term. A1 is the first term multiplied with r. R is the geometric ratio. And then power n minus 1. Now, all you need to do is substitute, because we know the an value is 1250, and that is the fifth term. That's why n is 5 minus 1. What is the first term? That is 2. You can directly put it in the calculator and solve this. You can directly do it. But if not, you know how to do it. Instead of r, you can put x, and then just type it entirely and press shift and solve. You'll get the answer. It is 1250. You can type this in calculator, press shift and solve. You will get the answer directly. Otherwise, if how to do it is simplify this. Take the 2 to the other side. It will be divided by 2. So you'll get 625. 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. And cube, not radical, fourth power of radical, 4 root 4 on both the sides will give you r. Over here it will be plus or minus, because this is an even power. So that means now there is a problem. Not a problem. There is plus or minus r. Why? Because this power was even. Whenever you take even root like this, if it's 2, 4, 6 of any number, you must remember that when you solve this, it'll be plus or minus answer. Okay, so therefore the r can be either positive 5. If it is positive 5, multiply 2 times 5, you're going to get 10. Again, 10 times 5. You can see over here, positive 5 is multiplied and you're getting this answers. But what about the minus 5? It might be minus 5 as well. So you need to have both these answers. So this is it. I'll just recall over here. The root, the power is even power. Whenever you use the radical to remove even power, there will be plus or minus. If this was odd, say r to the power 3, then you're solving, say, 27. This would be just 3. Or if it was minus 27, it can have, okay, it should be 3 over here. It can have negative values inside the radical as well. If it's odd power, it would be minus 3. It's not plus or minus, it's separate. So this is the thing. Now, the geometric means are these. So you can try this by yourselves and then check for the answers. You can see there will be even power and you will get these answers. Why? Because there is 5 terms. N is all 5 over here. The power will be n minus 1. The power will always be 4 when it is odd terms. Okay. Now here you can see There are how many two geometric means? That means A1 is 3, AN is 375. All you need to do is put it in the formula and solve. It will be 375 equals 3 r to the power. Now, there are four terms, two geometric means and the starting and the last term. This is a power 4. An is a4, sorry. Because the fourth term, it'll be 4 minus 1. This r is cubed. So then you don't get plus or minus, you'll just get the answer. Now, since it's positive over here, you will just get positive answer. So that's the thing. Over here, since the first number was negative, this will be minus. You will get a negative and you should keep on multiplying. Do solve them just like what you have seen over here in this detailed method. Just change the values over here and solve and you will get the answers. So that's it for this topic. Please stay tuned for the next topic.